Hey guys, see you in here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing week 19 Supreme item. Oh boy, week 19 was straight fire. A lot of good item that was being dropped, especially if you're into sneakers. They had Vans collaboration with Supreme, black and the high top and the low top, the black and the blue. Man, it was almost impossible for you to get. I tried it. I went online, right on time, looking for them, waiting for the page to load. Every time you refresh it, it's just nothing but blank pages. How am I supposed to check in and check out if it's just a blank page? I don't know. It was really ridiculous. I usually have good luck when it comes to sneaker from Supreme. I have gotten other ones like NBA one, but this time around couldn't get it. Unfortunately, I had to resort on something else, some other item. Again, the whole week was fire, so I got something for y'all. So Supreme had the other items like the towel. I thought about the towel this time because I do have the money short. Towel was the money short, but in towel. So I thought about it, but I didn't want it. Something else that was being dropped. It was the water gear, the goggle, and the hat, which I had to get. I don't know. It's just something that was dope. What can I say? So let's go ahead and unbox this. It came in the box. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what I get. Hopefully another more dope items and sticker, but of course the box logo. I didn't think it was gonna be anything special because it wasn't anything being dropped. And here we have the Speedo hat, swim cap for swimming, and we have the Speedo Supreme, the goggle set with a case like this with the Supreme on the logo on the top. Looks like a little, no, it's not a dent. I thought this was a dent here, but it's not. It's just a sticker over it. But here we have the Speedo Supreme item. Now, before we start, full disclaimer, I can't swim. So why did I get this? I honestly don't even know. Like, damn. But I saw Supreme, I saw Speedo, I saw a Supreme item. So I was like, hey, I gotta get it. Let me see if I could quickly pull up the price for you. The swim cap was 24 bucks. Goggle was 88. But again, as you guys saw from the box, I was able to put them in single cart. Usually, if you guys don't know about Supreme, I usually try to get one item at a time, even if it costs $10 more for shipping, because by the time you go back out, cart another one in, the first item could be sold out. So the best way to secure at least one item is get one item in cart, check out, pay that $10 shipping for that one item, and then go back and get another one, and unfortunately pay another shipping fee for that. But everyone was going for the van. Again, I went for the Vans first, and this was still sitting, just like me and all the other people that was thinking the same. They were going for the Vans and they didn't care about these. Website itself was just blank. Everything else loaded but that web page for the sneakers. So I was able to get cart both of them in, check out, and I went back for the van and still was blank page. And then like later on, like a minute later, like it just popped up, and by then everything is sold out, so there's no point on that. Digressing a little bit, but again, I don't know how to swim. I took the swimming class in college, or as one of my gym courses I had to take. I wasn't good at it, let's just say that. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but again, it's just gonna go to the collection. So let's go ahead and open it up and show you guys what it is. Here we have the Supreme Speedo cap for all y'all swimmers. Don't diss me, don't make fun of me, but here we have the Supreme logo going across the top, Supreme on the top, and we have the Supreme Speedo logo. But again, you kind of put this on your head cap, give you guys a little drag free when you are swimming. I will probably never use this, but Supreme red, had to go for it. I think it was the only colorway. I could be wrong. Maybe there was another colorway, black one. Yeah, there was a black one. So they had the red and black, and again Supreme red. Here we have it. Came in this Ziploc bag, silicone for the cap. I can't talk about functionality or how good quality it is because again, I don't swim. But the goggle, here we have the Supreme goggle, Speedo rating. I don't know what that is, but it has the comfort, fit, and hydrodynamic. I guess they have a different Speedo rating. This one, I'll just read it off to you guys because I don't personally know what they are. But comfort says 85 out of 100, fit 95 out of 100, hydrodynamic 95 out of 100. Supreme logo on the bottom, it has Supreme swim goggle. Nothing more that's crazy than that. Fast skin, pure focus. So let's go ahead and open this up. If you open it up, it opens like this. we have the goggles sitting on top on this plastic. So this just kind of dropped out. I don't know what this is, but I think these are the nose guard, I guess, clip that for sizing and fitting. And the goggle itself wraps around like this, and we have the goggle. There's a sticker on top of it, protective film. I'm not gonna take it off. I know it's a new thing, you have the urge to take it off, right? But nope, not this time. But everything else feels like silicone. I don't think these are latex at all. Sucks. I don't know how this fits. It was only one size, so I'm guessing everything fits to one side. I got it. It's pretty much in black. I think there was only one colorway. The strap on the back has Supreme box logo all around. So this is how much I know about goggles, guys. I don't even know how you technically adjust this. I guess you pull on this. Yeah, it looks like you could pull on this and adjust it back here. But I'm not gonna try to break this. I'll just leave it as is. You have the double strap here. Again, elastic, silicone filling material. Then the front, it has this kind of like chromic look on the goggle, at least from forward facing, and then from the back it has the bluish tint. Pretty dope. Again, I can't talk about performance or how it fit comfortably or what it is. Another item of Supreme added to collection, just gonna go sit in my collection. This is another. It's definitely not a usable item that I'm going to be rocking or doing anything, because again, like I said, I gave you guys disclaimer early on that I don't know how to swim, but I got it anyway. Probably going to get yelled at and called stupid by so-and-so, and especially my wife, but hey, it's for the collection, right? So here's the Speedo Supreme swim cap and the goggle. Give you guys a closer look and we'll wrap it up.